Another thing that went well this year is giving up on trying to grow flowers in this very shaded area. And I just decided to go with a variation of foliage. So, um, some of them do have flowers, but they're it's mostly the foliage that I care about. So I've got hosta, and I think that's called Purple Prince. That's an annual, but I just really like the color. The rest of these are perennials. And then brunnera, and there's a couple of heucheras here, and this painted fern, which is, I'm hoping will get more colorful as it grows. And those are new this year, and so are most of these are the heucheras. And the silver brunnera, which I love the color of. Um, in between those was bleeding heart, which will get much bigger in the spring. This is an astilbe, which didn't, I thought had died, but I see some new growth here, so I'm hoping that will continue to do well. And then this hosta, and then on the other side, we've got the same plants going again. And I put the cypress mulch on there, which really, I think, sets them off. And it's a different color than the brown mulch that I have here on the main area. So that I definitely would do again. Has worked for me.